In this video, we'll show you in 5 easy steps how to create a will on willpower.ng. Step 1. Create and verify your account. From the home page, please select Register, provide your information, create a user ID and password, and accept the terms and conditions. You will receive an email with a unique URL and one-time password (OTP). Click on the link to activate your account. After your account has been activated, please log in and then confirm your identity with a valid form of ID and a recent utility bill. Now you're ready to set up your will. Step 2. Choose a will and pay. Choose the type of will you'd like and then pay. Step 3. Create the will. Please fill all your relevant details such as your marital status, information on your assets such as houses, lands, cars, your beneficiaries, and other details. Once your information is complete, voila, you're ready to finalize your will. Step 4. Provide your probate details. Before you finalize, don't forget to provide some important probate details. Your draft will is now ready and will be emailed to you. You'll also receive a secure code that you can use to preview your will. Your will be reviewed by a legal professional and then registered at probate. Step 5. Drop off the will at a designated courier. Once you're satisfied with your will, please drop it off at a designated courier and we'll lodge it at probate on your behalf. And that's it. Our team will be available to help you at every step of the way. Just click on our live chat. Thank you for watching. WillPower. Write a will, empower your future.